I am Alexa. I can help you to find items in supermarket. Say something to me.
Hello Alexa.
Hi. How can I help you?
I need to buy chocolate.
We have 7 types of chocolate products. All items are a keep the shelf number 7.
I need to buy a pen.
Pen. There are different types of pens in the shelf number 4, and price is 25 rupees upwards.
I need to buy rice packet.
Rice packets item is keep in the shelf number 55, and current price is 355 rupees and 70 cents.
I need to buy pizza.
We have no pizza items available at the moment.
I need to buy coffee.
Please try again.
I need to buy coffee.
Please try again.
I need to buy tea packet.
Claylan tea packets are keep in shelf number 78. Unit price are 100 grams 200 rupees. 250 grams for 100 rupees. Google speech recognition could not understand your audio. Please try again.
I need Maliban Gold Mari.
Malaban Gold Marie item is keep in the shelf number 5, and current price is 100 rupees.
Is there any meat?
Meat and fishes. We currently have 4 types of products, and those are keep in the depth freezer.
I need to buy Vendol soap.
Please try again.
I need to buy Vendol soap.
Please try again.
Hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
I need to buy Vendol soap.
We have Dettol soap, chef number 32. Unit price is 35. If you get 5 soaps you can get 10% discount from us.
Where are orange keep in the supermarket?
Oranges. There are oranges in the shelf number 4, and price is 25 rupees. Google speech recognition could not understand your audio. Please try again.
Print.
Your important most parts of your current chat history is sent to the printer to print now. Do you need more help? Do you need more service? Google speech recognition could not understand your audio. Please try again. Google speech recognition could not understand your audio. Please try again.
Hello.
Hello. Do need a help to find a good?
No.
Thank for using Alexa supermarket chatbot service. You are welcome again.